He is an eagle hunter who comes from Kazakhstan.
This is the actress who starred in the musical Mamma Mia. This is the actress that starred in the musical Mamma Mia.
Avatar is a film which has won a lot of awards. Avatar is a film that has won a lot of awards.
New Zealand is the country where The Lord of the Rings was filmed.
It was the year 2008, when the musical Mamma Mia was released.
Mr. Bean is very funny, and that's the reason he is so popular. Mr. Bean is very funny, and that's the reason why he is so popular. Mr. Bean is very funny, and that's the reason that he is so popular.
Kazakhstan is a huge country whose capital city is Astana.
These are the actors who starred in the Harry Potter films. These are the actors that starred in the Harry Potter films.
The actress who I got an autograph from is Emma Stone. The actress I got an autograph from is Emma Stone.
Ben Stiller, who was a very talented actor, was born in 1965 in the USA.
The wildlife documentary, which was about endangered animals, was very interesting.